So Lenny, what do you think of the transplant?
Very excited, very pleased. It was well worth the investment. Short-term pain for long-term gain. It was absolutely worth it.
Today we're going to introduce Lenny. He's 50 years old and had a FUE hair transplant 3 years ago. I'm going to show you what he looked like at that point. As you can see, he had hair loss, androgenetic alopecia, what I would call Norwood 3, Norwood 4 of the interior 1/3 of the scalp. So 3 years later, I'm going to show you what we have. The hairline is natural. This is a good regrowth. And you can see here it's a good transition between the transplanted hair and the naturally occurring hair. If you turn around. Since it was an FUE, it's a good uniform hair regrowth and there's no linear scarring as you might expect from an FUT. So Lenny, what do you think of the transplant?
Very excited, very pleased. It was well worth the investment. Short-term pain for long-term gain. It was absolutely worth it.
What did you think of the staff?
Everybody was exceptionally professional. The experience, it's not an easy day, but the staff made it easier. It was well worth the entire investment in myself for the future.
Now I know you do see people from time to time. What comments have you had from friends and family? And
yeah, the best is no comments. I mean, it's natural. No one knows. My kids never guessed. So that's the best compliment to the team, is that no one has ever made a comment. It looks that natural.
Did it affect how you felt about life and about your? Because I know you have a very competitive profession. So
sure, yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, I think it's a challenge that everybody has with as they're getting older. How do you try to hold on to youth, or just how do you feel good about yourself when you wake up every day? And how your hair looks is one of those elements, and it's definitely made me feel I'm a confident person, but it's definitely helped with my own confidence going forward.
And to anybody who's thinking of a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
Oh, you got to do it. I mean, it's you have so many years ahead of you, and just to be not taking advantage of just the very brief period of time of yes, it's a minor inconvenience, but it's worth it. I mean, years forward, this is the time to do it for sure.